Hi, I'm Jen Cook, and welcome to Bahia Property Management. I want to share 3 things that are super important that you need to ask before you hire a property management company in the area of South Tampa. So number 1, you want to know whether the company in South Tampa has a good reputation or not. So nowadays you can go on to Google, you can go on to YouTube, you can go on to social media, and you can actually review the testimonials. I recommend that you do that because that will give you a very good indication of what kind of reputation the property management company has. So that's number 1. Number 2, definitely ask about experience. How much experience do you have managing properties in the South Tampa market? That is super important because you want to make sure that somebody that you hire is going to be able to weather the storms and has already weathered the storms. They've already been able to take care of many issues that will come up because property management is not that simple. So you want to make sure that you have somebody with a lot of experience that will be ready and willing to handle anything that comes their way. Number 3, you want to make sure that the company is a member of the National Association of Residential Property Managers, NARPM. This industry has a set of standards that we must follow, and the members of this industry, not all of them are NARPM members. So you want to make sure that you have a NARPM member as the property management company in the South Tampa market. Now, what to expect from Bahia Property Management? Let me tell you. So, first of all, you have a team of experts, not just one person, taking care of your property. You have a team of people all looking to do the same thing. We're all looking to rent your property on time and manage it as well as we possibly can. Find an amazing tenant that will stay for a long period of time and everybody will be happy. That's what the team of experts is going for. So it's not just one person that you're communicating with. You've got a whole team. We handle accounting, we handle leasing, we handle rent collections, we even handle evictions when they come our way because we have weathered the storms. So in addition to that, I would like to say that we have a very responsive maintenance team. Our maintenance team is on call 24/7. So if the tenant calls and says, we have a leaky toilet at 2 o'clock in the morning, guess what? They can call Bahia Property Management and get somebody on the phone immediately. So we're very proud to say that we are able to handle issues as quickly as they come. So we also offer a 120-day money-back guarantee. So we understand that some people, may not match, and that's completely understandable. But we would like to basically get the opportunity to show you the standards that we follow and hopefully impress you too at the same time. So if you're interested in learning more about Bahia Property Management, please give us a call, 813-966-9324. We look forward to serving you.